Painting a wall may seem simple, but with the right techniques, you can achieve a professional, flawless finish. Here's how to do it like a pro. Start by preparing your space. Move furniture out of the way or cover it with drop cloths. Protect the floor with plastic or canvas sheets, and use painter's tape to mask off skirting boards, switches, and trims. Next, clean your walls with a damp cloth to remove any dust or marks. If there are cracks or holes, fill them with a quality filler and sand smooth once dry. Then give the entire wall a light sanding using fine grit sandpaper to help the paint adhere better. Wipe off any remaining dust, and you're ready to prime. Use a good quality primer if you're covering dark colors, painting fresh plaster, or switching from oil to water-based paint. This helps ensure even coverage and a consistent finish. Once your surface is dry, it's time to paint. Begin with a high-quality brush to cut in. That means painting a 2 to 3 inch strip along the edges, corners, and around fixtures. Use steady, even strokes to create clean lines and avoid drips. Now grab your roller. Load it evenly in the tray, rolling off excess paint to avoid splatter. Use a W or M pattern on the wall to distribute the paint, then roll over it vertically to smooth it out. This method helps avoid roller lines and ensures even coverage. Work in small sections and keep a wet edge, meaning you overlap each new section slightly while the paint is still wet to prevent visible lines. Allow the first coat to dry completely, usually around 2 to 4 hours, then apply a second coat using the same method. 2 coats typically give the best finish. Once everything is dry, remove the painter's tape at a 45-degree angle for sharp, clean lines. And that's it. With the right prep, tools, and technique, you'll have beautifully painted walls that look professionally done.